There's Spockie with the little white foot. All his little white feet. He's a very handsome boy. So gentle with any dogs. Look at these little puppies he's playing with. He loves dogs. He loves toys. Very, very sweet boy too. Spockie! Spock! Good boy! Mama Spock! Yeah! Good boy! Good boy, Spockie! Spockie! Good boy, Spockie! Spockie, good boys! And good pop-up. Look at all these little puppies. They all love Spockie. 他们都很喜欢跟 Spockie 玩吗？Spockie 都好像小朋友一样，很像小孩。你看跟他玩的时候。That's so cute. Look at that. Oh. More pop-ups for you to play, Spockie, huh? You're so busy. Hey, Ozzy, can you be gentle? Spockie, come over because we're cleaning. What's there? There's a toy, right? Let's see what you find. What's there? Ah, that's your favorite Bobo. Where's Bobo? Where's Bobo? Can you go get it? Can you go get it? Still like a little baby. You're still like a little baby, Spockie. That's nice boy. Good boy. Too dark. Can't see now. It's really good. He lets other dogs take his toys.